believe I'm not gonna let go this stick. I'm gonna let go this stick and walk. Me have that feelings. Me I go let you know, make plenty time me not let it go and walk. Me afraid me go drop on any stone. And get more hurt. Only
Take time,
Take your time.
no, me just have the feelings eh.
To help out with your situation. See if we can help out, help send her to school. So we have TB from Virginia, America, USA, send 21,000 a year, for help out with the school, So this is 21,000 from TB. So you can count it 11 times. Yeah.
Very good to get up for me, man. Time, man. Yeah, man. Tell her, man. Very good.
So look, I bring some more.
I'm here.
Yeah, man. This is you.
Man, don't tell me, man. Sure, man. Yeah, man.
Send $14,000 for you. Worship, come count it for her and put it in her hand because she only needs one hand. So it's 14,000 from Mikey C.
Mikey C.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A keynote can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Can I wash your hair, sir?
Yeah,
No, you can't wash your hair, it's in a black up. Yeah, you have to walk through, not Pisha side, that's all. Right now, the other side. Yeah. Yes, guys, so I just go to the, support our local shop and just buy some stuff for Amigo to bring around there. Hello.
Long time to talk t-shirt.
Wow. I got braid me ear. I got braid it. Good. Yes, guys, so as I say, I never get the chance to go downtown, so I just support the local shop and just buy some groceries for Amigo, Christy, where I go on? Buy some groceries for Amigo, because they can see it's really need. Couldn't believe when the man say he must eating only biscuit and sugar. Imagine that, only eating biscuit and sugar. Alright, so I just walking, me and Rasta Jackson, because I just go get it quick, Yeah. Hello.
Yes,
How you doing? Alright. Boomba bike. Boom, 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 boom. And yes, sir. I top yard. Oh, why the place look the same, so? Why it look like the same? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Okay, this small. Oh. Yo, these TrenchTown walkways get so small. Yes. I don't even know where to find the walking space then anymore. Oh, we're here. No, next one.
Next one? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, sir. Alright. Let's just try to come fix him light as well too. There he is. Amigo. Alright, going, you sleeping? Light fix?
Light fix now.
Yeah, my friend come fix it, right? Turn it on. Alright.
Yeah, fix it.
Fix it.
Yeah, very good too, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Later, I want to go wash up, you know. Make sure you to me do. To me later, me do. Me some of the menu on and cook some rice for later. And I say, yeah, man, I tell them, man, buy me a little thing that I put out. Yeah, man, don't know tomorrow, take a wash up.
Yeah.
A very good thing to for me, no, man. Time, no, man. Yeah, man, I tell them, man, very good.
So, look, I bring some more.
Amidst.
Yeah, man, this is you.
Man, don't tell me, man. So, man. Yeah, man.
I'll bring some stuff here for you.
Very good jacket. Very good.
Yeah, man, you have a lot of stuff in there.
Very good every time. See, yeah, man, that's very good time. Yeah, man, I come here and tell you, man. See me, I look at some more, I look over and eat.
Oh,
I see, cook that left, just eat. Yeah, that part there, and I say,
the food yesterday.
yeah, man.
Yesterday, the man, food I would give him. Him leave back the meat, and I gave him $1,000 and him buy rice. And him use the same meat yesterday and buy rice and cook it so it could last.
Can't get about the rope on TV, can't not do it in boy, I tell you, you know, man,
Because yes, guys, yesterday now we got his light fixed. As well too, because never have no light. As you could have seen when time the electrician was passing, fix the light same time. And then now himself was eating only crackers and sugar. You know, so it kind of touched me. You know, so I decided to go and get some stuff for him. So the food that we gave to him yesterday, you know, Amigo cannot hear us clearly. So the food that I gave to him yesterday, him eat the rice and eat piece of the meat, and him save back the meat and then buy rice with the $1,000 that I gave to him, you know, just to cook for it to last, you know. So Mr. Survive. So Amigo, so you have some stuff here, right? You can go and get what you want to get, do what you want to do now.
Yeah, man.
So Amigo can't hear us, guys.
Yeah, man. Plus every time in God, every time, you know. Yes, man. Cause boy, me I tell you, because you come, me I tell you, man. Every time break that come, you have to take out 4 hour tablet. And I say, cause when I want to edit and come out and like God, you know. Cause that me have in the safe there, you know. But you know, don't know because I don't try to put the battery, but God. I say, want to get back one, and I say, yeah, man, that's very good every time, man, every time. Because I'm trying to say, man, but I watch out. Anytime I send guys bigger, I say, I go tomorrow and I can move. Anytime I can move, you know. Move, you know. Yeah, man, because I tell them rough, you know. Yeah, man, I want to do it, man, I don't want to survive everything out and say, because I walk up and see that whole mic, you know. Yes, it's a melt, you know. Yeah, man, that man, not about me to have money time.
DJ and thing.
I tell you, man, I mean, I say that me and Carol course. Because when I mean a ghost, ghost I mean Holy Ghost, you know, you don't see.
Oh.
You like when the bad man say, Pastor, warm come to court, and he cut the bad man. Bad man say, give me Bible boy. I want to show the pastor, the Holy Ghost, and the pastor turn friend. I said, yeah man, you go point to that, many of them corral, at the foundation, I give thanks and prayer to the mighty power. Say, yeah, come and tell my brother, I don't want to know to so long. I tell you the truth, you know, because the whole of them drop out, whole food, all them drop out. Some of the pain have no drop out, right road. You see, the police want me dead or alive, in there. Beam like a candle bed. Fly out all around there. That's 77, you know. But me up bad, but innocent. And I made the murder, you know. And the mother said I made the murder, I'm not giving away, you know. I'm not giving away, yeah, my tell me. Tell poor them to me. I defend myself. And then get away from prison. I got 2 miles, because I kill him. But I tricked him and kill him. That's what I tell you. No, I tell a man, pull party, pull him through and can't let me. They come take me over 4 years squad. Yeah, but relax.
Yeah,
relax. The round that, sir. Yeah, I want to round that, sir, you know. I break the iron here, I know, you know. Only for M10 here, only for M10 for me. But I know that, sir.
Alright, yeah?
Every time, say,
alright, yes.
Yeah, mom, you keep that bread and thing, I don't know. You know,
you have rice, amigo, you have rice.
Right there. Yeah, bless it. Yeah.
Bun.
I say, if you know, yeah, I don't think I'm bad, then I'm on camera, block it up. Yeah, man. Yeah. I mean, I don't keep all the one day, and I say, not to buy yet. Yeah, that I'll pop it on. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, I don't know, pocket, I know,
Alright, yeah?
Bless it, and I have the time, you know. Bless it, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so you know, at least we can get some groceries to help out himself, because as I can see, situation sticky. Alright, yeah? Very sticky. So, yes, guys, so as I can see, the situation is really sticky here in TrenchTown, you know. The struggle is real. Look at this bathroom where people are bathing. This is what people shower inside, you know. Struggle is real. Hello. This is where people shower and everything. Bathroom and car. Where I run for? Yeah. The struggle is so real, guys, as I can see. Oh Lord, she run gone lock up. You're running away. You know the panic, man.
Yeah, the panic.
Don't run. Guys, she run. Telling you, the struggle is real here, boy. Yeah. Huh? That's where people have to really shower, you know. Struggle is so real in the inner city, you know. Well, at least we give thanks for what we can do. You know, we give thanks. Alright, you hear, mommy?
Yes, sir.
You see, we could walk here, sir. Look. You see, could walk black out. Oh, you can walk here, so?
Eh?
Can I walk this way?
You can come through there, you can come through there.
Okay, go on then now. If we can walk there, because if we wear black off. Hello. Black off, man.
You get there, so
Can pull? Okay. Wow. The place is black off, both. What, Shana? Oh, Bill Mansion. Yeah, go on, man. Mansion, you build up, man. Shana build mansion. I mean, Shana. Hey. Cool, man. Mansion, the one I build upstairs and downstairs. Is it so long when I pass this side? Yeah. Building up a mansion behind me. So at least I like when them elevate, you know, try to help out themselves. You know? Oh. That walk was just right. Stressing. Esther, come in the bag. Yeah.
I can't do that.
Water for the year. All is well. Hello. Hello, my friend. How you doing? Fine. How was school today? Nice.
Yes.
What you did today at school?
I did mathematics and also language arts, reading, and we gotta do a project at home.
Oh, you can do a project at home?
Yes.
Is that your homework?
Yes. Not a homework.
Aye.
It's just a project.
Body cat.
One love, you know.
All is well.
One team.
Dream team.
Up and running.
Yeah.
Understand me? Good evening, everyone. All the donors, the manners and respect. One love.
So you say you got homework to do?
Project homework.
Okay.
And the project homework said we have to do all the style we want and use cartridge paper.
Okay. So you got your cartridge paper already? Oh, you buy it already? Yeah, man, daddy buy it already. Yeah, high five. You're gonna mash it up. You're gonna mash it up. So I come see your dad because I bring a donation for him. What are you looking at?
Wait a minute. What do you have on the tattoo?
Where? On my neck?
Yes.
Oh, you just see it? Oh, it's my daughter's name.
Oh. You have a daughter?
Yeah. What you gonna say now?
Why do you tattoo your neck?
I don't know. I was thinking about put on my daughter's name. You know, I wasn't even thinking of anything else more than just putting it there.
But the Bible said if you put on tattoos, it can cause damage to your neck.
Yeah.
And stressness.
Yes.
And pain.
Yes. And you're correct. Right? It can cause all of that.
Yes, like when it touches all of your, everywhere of you, you're not going to have a great day because people are going to whisper all about you, you know?
I know.
They're going to be judgy, as always they are.
Yeah, they're gonna judge, right?
Yeah.
And the Lord said, judge not, right? You're not supposed to judge, right?
Yeah, we're not supposed to talk about people or judge people because of bad things to do.
I know. Thank you so much for the advice, okay?
Okay. Have you ever had stress?
Stress? Well, before, way back in the days. Yes. You know, when I used to think a lot, you know, yeah, things get to you. You know, so the Lord teach me said, stress not thyself. Okay, so I stopped stressing. So the Lord gave me the vision, said, stress not thyself, leave all stress and all problems to Him. So that's when I stopped all of that. So I don't do it anymore. So any problems or anything I've got, I deal with it, and the Lord helped me to deal with it. Right? How is that? That is it. That is how I do it. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so your dad works so hard, and he's a good father for the years and years and years. You know, someone sent something for your daddy to help out with your school. Okay? Because yes, daddy they sent something for you to help out with the school.
I'm going back to say we can't plead to the people then.
Yeah.
We still not get chose. You see?
Oh, you not get through yet?
No, we still not get chose. Because them say them can't do it that way then. They go wait till the social worker come interview before she can get a letter to go down high school.
Oh, put her back on the path. Alright. So someone send a donation still to help out. You know, because them understand we are go through and everything. So they send a donation to help out with their situation. See me, we can help out, you know, help send her to school. You know, so we have TB from Virginia, America, USA, send 21,000 a year, you know, for help out with the school, you know. So this is 21,000 from TB. So you can count it and then tell them thanks. So TB from Virginia.
TB, Miss
T, well, T and B.
T and B from Virginia. Well, I'm so elated and feel good for this moment here. Because I drive to see somebody out there where I'm free. I see what happened. I hear my plea still and I love that.
Yeah.
So I give thanks for what you appreciate and I love what you do for me still. I tell you the truth. So give thanks and praise, yeah?
Yeah.
And blessed year. Blessed months and blessed days when it comes. You see,
yeah.
That's how things set. Respect.
Respect.
See? That's how things set right now. So, love what you do for me right now and give thanks.
Yes.
Love you for that still. So, blessed, you see?
Shanette,
Alright.
you wanna tell T and B thank you for the donation that they send to T and B.
Yes. Thank you very much. My dad really worked hard and he's having back pain, you know. Like I want his back to watch. I love back, Jackie back, piggy back and all of the stuff. But
So he's got back pain. So you have back pain now, Vam? Yeah. He's got some back.
So I go work hard for me a youth at work, man. So
Yeah.
I look out for you guys.
You can sleep on the floor and on the concrete, it kind of help
That me a try from the idea. Kind of morning I'm fine myself.
to hurt you.
Let
Yeah.
me even go out and come back on here.
Kind of pain in the body.
I'm going to feel my body. Never lose.
Oh yeah. We're straight now.
Yeah, because them say it a bit medicine right.
Okay.
Because I think
Yeah.
Love.
Just sleep on the floor, man, you know, to help out.
I do that still.
In line, man.
I tell you the truth, I'm hard.
Yeah, no, I believe you, man. I believe.
I tell you some miracle. I not think
I'm going to 4 ways to work. What I say? I'm not think no man work like hard down in Jamaica. Because we don't feel like that. Don't have a fire music. And the asphalt tanks, I feel that dig out asphalt tanks. So, the type of work, enough man now can do them work.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, man, because we also have the kids them to look after, so
we just give thanks to this TMB still, is it?
Yeah, man. TMB,
yeah.
I want to thank you so much, thank you so much for helping out, you know, because we really go a long way, where you can help with that situation, with the channel, and the kids them. So we thank you so much, TV, and Father for the year, thank you as well, also so much, yeah? Shanette! Oh, Shanette! Oh, she gone. Shanette! Oh, she gone back on her schoolwork. Shanette! Shanette gone. The guy say no.
Book them where you cry, come man, book them there.
Yeah,
she
read them out.
Yeah.
Oh.
I want 2 of them left.
Oh, so she read everything. Wow. Yeah. That is good, man. Really, Father. Alright then. Yes, DB. So thank you so much for helping out. I will give thanks. We give thanks. Jenna.
Oh, Jesus.
That is it. Younger than is.
Bless Bob.
Janet, I'm going. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. High five. See you later. Alright then, bye. Webbing ball. Come bowling ball, ready for the road. Things when they see you at service, then is what's up?
No, me the online.
They're online.
Yeah, me I watch it online.
Well, yeah, well.
Online.
Okay.
Online. What's the rest of online?
Yeah.
Right.
Well. Blessed love to all. Welcome back to Kina Life in Jamaica. Today we here in TrenchTown. So guys, remember, please put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. Give the video a like as you like what we're doing. If you don't like what we're doing, I understand, but give the video a like as you're watching. Put the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share and tell a friend about Kina Life in Jamaica. Yes, guys, today is the first step towards the wow chef. So we're gonna head to the hardware, and purchasing a material. So hopefully they'll do delivery today. I don't think they will do any delivery today, but they will do delivery first thing in the morning. So I guess we'll go there now and put in the order so they can do the delivery in the morning. So we're gonna head to the hardware now, and put in the order so we can start the ball roll for the wow chef. So it goes already, guys. So as I said, we're gonna try to help the member them one member at a time. It goes already one step at a time. So that's how we're gonna do it. Wow. Whee. Imagine that. All in the video on one side, the arms take out. Yes, guys, so that is the mission today. Remember to hit that like button whenever you're watching, and we thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. So I'm here with some of the members them. Some is not here yet. So we have Rasta Jackson. Why?
Every time
that is it. And we have Esther Bombing-Ball. Why? And we have Mother Teresa. Aye. And we have Lady in yellow and black. Aye. Yes, guys. So whoa, chef. Yeah. So we're gonna head up by Mogul now. Yeah. Whoa. Hey guys, whoa chef like him have ticks in him body. Can't stay one place, You know what ticks is? This guy, I just see him here for a second, him walk gone. Same thing, when he's cooking, the man just leave the pot and gone. He never cook and stay one place yet, But he never burn the rice or burn the meat. So that's one thing with him. Never burn it. So we're gonna head up by the hardware, guys, So this is TrenchTown here. This is what it looked like midday in TrenchTown. You hardly see anyone on the street here on 3rd Street. You will hardly see anyone here.
Hey boy, smart.
You hardly see anyone here when you come out to meet there in TrenchTown. And the sun is shining nice and bright. You know, the place is not so hot because the breeze is really blowing. You know, so let's keep. Whoa! Come on. Yes, guys. So welcome. I'll give thanks. So, you know what? We have a donation for Wormy. You know, I think today is Wormy day off. Yes, guys. Remember Wormy in the kitchen. I think today is his day off. I think so. So we're gonna pass by and see if he's there because I'm not getting his mobile. So I'm just gonna head up to his side, you know, and see if I could see him and give him a donation. So while we're gonna walk, you know, and talk. So you know it goes already. So welcome. Here, like in Jamaica. So we have the officer them rolling through. Come. Make sure so the place is well secure. And for sure, security for surety. You know, standard. Security for sure. Rolling through. Scientist. Max in. Rolling through. This is how it is. This is what look like Parker that for true. Parker. Yes. Cheers. So guys, so here we have our chef here, finally find him. You know, they might catch it on the side. So our chef is here, turn. Where them say luxury bathroom and toilet. You know, everything go. There's a queen size, because he cannot sleep on a king size. Yeah, they have to sleep on a queen, he cannot sleep on a king. He cannot.
Don't do a yard deal with it.
How should be on in that? Run yourself, live. Wormy in the kitchen, cooking chicken, make it work. Wormy in the kitchen, cooking chicken. How is side in there?
Right in.
Last time we have
Better! Ready! Yeah, up on!
Wormy in the kitchen, cooking chicken, make it work.
Yo, up a blast now, Mr.
You sleeping? Cause me
a champ come in.
yeah, cause me I call the phone. Lock off. Cause I say, Wormy, most of the woman I rest up. Always say, Esther, take out everything for Wormy for me, please. Yeah. So guys, we say we just have to wake up Wormy. You know. We've been working hard cooking in the kitchen, you know. So that's why I really say Wormy, guys, because you know Wormy is on the work now, you know. He got a job, you know, he's working. Right? Yeah, you know, the bag with the same color. Yeah, so you know Wormy's got a job now where he's working, you know, uptown in the kitchen, you know, cooking. You know, it goes, he always make it. It's in the same brown, yeah, but the orange paper. Yeah, so. This house is nice. Look at this house here. This house nice. Oh, Dave. Oh, I like the way Dave set up his house. You see that? And this is pure kitchen house, guys. Kitchen and bathroom, right?
Yeah, man, kitchen, bathroom. So, kitchen upstairs.
Two kitchen. Yes. Guys, this is two kitchen. The man turned into a bedroom in a house. Upstairs, everything.
Upstairs, up there.
Wow, imagine that. Imagine that, guys. This is two kitchen. You know, the kitchen almost in a tenement here where everyone come and cook. So, you know, over the years, you know, the place get populated, you know, and there's not too many houses here, so people take the kitchen house them and live inside in them. But look how the man transformed 2 kitchen house.
Way back
that way, right? Way back here. Wow. You see? Imagine how TrenchTown can look if everyone decide, everyone said they're gonna do something like this. Big up yourself also about we done this, you know, great idea. At least it can inspire some more people to do the same. You see what you see what's going on? A 2 kitchen house this, you know. Man turn into a one man shining. I couldn't believe it. You know? He go all the way around. Wow, look at this guy. This is 2 kitchen house here. The man really, and look, this is the next, the 2 bathroom them that's here. The bathroom that's here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And you have the kitchen them beside it. Oh, and you have also upstairs. What? Look how the man developed this place here. Look at this. Look, also gone upstairs, so you use the back part of the yard. That way we would normally walk through the empty space. So you have upstairs and both downstairs. Jeez, beautiful, inspiration. Perfect. You go all the way upstairs as well, you know.
Yeah, we know, man. But we never know how long it is.
Yeah.
When we did
all the way go. Yeah, look around there, see. You tell them man upstairs as well too. And look, these are the bathroom. You see? No. Look guys, so this would normally be the kitchen houses. You know, this. So these are the toilet and you have the kitchen house right here. So this will be the toilet. Yeah. And this each and the man develop. Eh? Yeah man, big up yourself. And so I go on. Yes. You know, tell a man it's a good look. It's a good look. It's a good look, Remy. Yeah man. Yes, you know see man. Oh the junior? Country. Oh country.
Yeah man.
Oh I'm bad man. Yeah, he's good.
Extension come on.
So Remy, come stand up beside the mansion.
Mansion, oh chef.
Yeah. So imagine if we like see at least another 50 hours like this in TrenchTown, looking like
Change the place
places that look so beautiful. Man, I like. So Remy, your birthday belated, right?
Yeah.
Gone already.
Yeah, see.
So we have Gigi that's a belated birthday here for you. You know, Gigi take note of each and everyone's birthday whenever it comes. So we have $7,000 here for you from Gigi.
Gigi, give thanks, you know. You look up thing, you know, for my birthday, you know. Respect it, same way, you know.
Yes.
My birthday gone still, I'm full joy the day, but this can put it far away again, you know.
Yeah.
We give thanks anyway, Gigi. Love and thanks same way, man. And protection to you same way. And one dream team same way, not change people. We just miss now I see look. To the work still, but now see me back, man.
Yeah.
Man always there active people.
Yes,
love see me. One dream.
Yes, guys. It's just the work that about worry me, you know.
You
And
can see as Jesus come see me.
yeah, sleeping. So whenever him get a day off, you know, him sleep.
Yes.
You know, so finally we'll catch him on a day when he's off work. So we'll give him a donation. So you know what journey will continue. Okay, you know we're gonna start on Wow Chef place now.
Yeah, tell me tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm that tell me.
So we're gonna get some material for it to drop off tomorrow.
I want them there, man. Monday.
Yeah.
Can't pass you on the ground. Once you on the ground on Monday.
No problem, man. That is it, man. So we're gonna head up by Mugula now. Alright, big up yourself. Yes. We're me in the kitchen cooking chicken, make it work. Mansion. Aye. She cannot stay. Huh?
It wasn't up on the front and I see where the bucket there.
Which one?
No, the house.
This could have transformed so as well. Now. See them houses can transform exactly like this. No, never say. Sorry, yeah man, big up. Yeah. So you can't even see it, it's hiding. Only if you could lift. Oh, you can see a piece of it. Yeah. Only if you could lift it up and bring it at the front. Right? Just, yeah. Back in the days, this pathway was where you have the most nice house. You know, this was the pathway, but now the pathway look different. Yeah. So these developers were to here in a pathway. You know, so TrenchTown. So these are the original ones that they built here differently from the others. You know, so it seems like they was building up these sides from over there, come over, and them stop right here and never continue all the way down. So just how they was building up that side, yeah, come all over here, and them stop in this area, and this side to build some 12 shilling house, you know, ease off the pressure. Yeah.
Like, you don't know, people that want. I look at them.
Yeah.
You have them work and see them. Develop a place because back then the place wasn't like this.
No.
It come a far away and it have a far way to go
same way, yeah.
I applaud everyone way, you know?
Put the effort out, you know?
To make the place look like uptown.
Yeah, man. Everyone can continue to go and develop, you know? The future will definitely look bright here. You know, in TrenchTown. Dream team are going to inspire. See them, we are going to help out. Bagadan. Any chicken back ready yet for the wow chef?
Yeah man, back ready man.
Oh. Wow chef, you might do your favorite.
My boss, you know more on that video there?
No boss.
More on the Liverpool video. The one the performance more you send. Stay on top.
Oh, okay, yeah. Like when the man say, yo, him said, his wife said him say, yo, I need a Liverpool performance in bed. And he's like, what is that? She's like, oh, you spend a long time on top and come second.
Yes.
You know, that is a Liverpool performance.
That is a Liverpool performance. I really want that video.
Yeah,
I want to share it with a lot of friends.
Yeah.
So I want you to share the video with me. You understand?
Yeah. So anyone that supports Liverpool, you know, whenever you hear your wife said I need a Liverpool performance in bed, you know what it means. They spend a long time on top and still finish second in the league. Chicken back. Hello, yeah, Phil. All is well.
Yeah.
Alright then. This is the jerk back here.
This is the bagger.
That's what I'm telling the girl say.
What you going to tell the girl?
Hello?
Lead out your face with the jerk back around there.
Give me two of them. Hello?
Two platinum.
Plantain and
I'll
chicken
put one
back.
dumpling in there.
This man say hot and ready here, people.
Hot and ready, ma be hot and ready. Hey, hot and ready, ma be hot and ready. Chicken back you want, yes it hot and ready. Hey, hot and ready, me say it hot and ready. It ma be fry planted, me say it hot and ready. Hey, hot and ready, me say it hot and ready. You want the jerk chicken back? Yeah. If you want the jerk chicken back, me say it hot and ready. Sorry, I'm gonna fast in the kitchen. Excuse your face if you don't want to be over the place. Oh Lord, it's a race. Hot and ready, I say it hot and ready. We have the jerk chicken, but I say it hot and ready. Hey, put in your order if you're ready. Jerk chicken, but I say it hot and ready. We have the festival, I say it hot and ready.
Just like acting, that's why, you know?
No,
Oh.
stomach here, no, they're not here.
We have the planting over there, so we have the jerk back guys, you see? It's not all
No, I catch up, the way over there, son.
relax.
Big boss,
So we have jerk, we have the festival, I'm not catch you. We have the festival here and we have our jerk back. So guys, it's not only chicken can jerk. So we jerk the back and it tastes exactly like chicken, right Bagger?
Yeah, man.
It tastes nicer than chicken?
Chicken back, get up people.
Home dish. What chef is that called? The national dish. Sorry, national dish. This is what the wow chef called the jerk chicken back. So guys, get used to it. Bagger with the festival over there, planting and everything. That is it. So Bagger is located on West College Smith Drive, right? Right on the corner of 4th Street. You know, going up towards, if you're going up or going down TrenchTown Road or going up towards Arnett Garden, you cannot miss it. He's on the left side going up and he's on the right side coming down. You know, so he's right at the middle at 4th Street and the gully.
The smell alone is dry in here.
Right
the smell
there.
alone.
So guys,
the jerk man out. If I smell that smell, you know the jerk man out.
Ready.
Ready, what's there? Ready, Rita.
That is it, a jerk chicken back. Whoa. So guys, so we're gonna head on. Bagger, big up yourself, yeah? I'm gonna head on the journey. Alright then, my general.
Yeah, my father.
There you go. The smoke out. The smoke out a while ago. Pure jerk smoke out. All my cologne disappear. Yeah. Imagine when them say if you're a Rasta man you cannot go in there. And if you don't eat meat you cannot go in there. And the man was saying he not eat pork but he need the gravy. Yeah. You know?
When the meat up here, bone.
Everything done.
Everything done.
Everything done with the
Sail out. Sail out. Sail out.
If you eat bone, you go in there, not meat, you know, bone.
Yeah. So at least now them are develop here. You know, people is trying, as I can see. People is making a difference. People is trying. You know. Barber shop here on the corner. You know, I like when people is trying. Take care. There, man. All is well. Yo, Squid, take charge. Magnum boss. The Magnum ambassador from Trinidad. Squid. Magnum all over. So guys, so you see this place now is an industrial place, you know. Over here they're gonna have like multiples. Business is gonna go it's gonna go over here multiple. So right now they like cover the space, you know, put a wall, but inside they're gonna have multiple business. It's gonna be taking place when the time is right, you know. So but now they put up a wall, you know, so you know inside now there's gonna be a lot of buildings that's gonna go up for business, a lot. So TrenchTown is on its verge, you know. It's one step at a time the place are developed, you know. One step at a time the place is developing, you know. One step. And now inside TrenchTown you have alignment stand. Before you never used to have any alignment stand where you can come get your car aligned, you know, whenever it's ready. So now you have alignment stand over here as well too. So look at this. You never used to have this here in TrenchTown. BET, wheel alignment, tire service. So where you get everything well aligned. So improvement is going on, you know. Over here used to be the original red top, you know, but the zinc changed from red to silver, right? So yeah, it was leaking, so they must refurbish it. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Roll through coach.
Yeah, I'll get a back wheel start.
Yeah. So we're on 7th Street.
I complex later on the road.
No.
Yeah, I'm on 7:30, Lime Mall from TrenchTown to
Okay.
7:30.
7:30.
TrenchTown.
TrenchTown. That's TrenchTown police station right over there as well. So, that's gonna be a nice house on the front. That house is gonna be a nice house as well on the front. Yes guys, so just arrived here at the hardware. Top still. So guys, so we're here. So guys, so we're here at the hardware now. We're gonna come put in the order.
Calvin and Nani might get here. Come now. Yeah, go with him down there.
A Chinese there? Jesus Christ. A Chinese. Ching long, chung long, chung long, chang. Chung chuko chung chung chang. Indian. Indian. When you see herself, she laugh. Hey, have NSC? Oh, they're not. You stop it. I'm not take NSC. I'll take something small. What's your budget? No budget. So we can go all out then. She said she don't have no budget, sir. Unlimited. Let me see. I'm ordering a lot. So listen. Alright guys, so we just purchased the first set of load. You know what we're gonna start off with, because naturally say it's gonna start off with this first. You know, and this is the list here. So this is the list here. So we just spent $100,000. So this was the first list that we just spent. 14 length of steel, 170 block, 3 yard of sand, 2 yard of stone, 16 bag of cement, you know, binding wire, the nail, concrete nail also. So that's 100,000 we just spent right there. Right. Yeah, so this is what we're gonna start off with. You know, so this is what we just spent just now. Right, so spend 100,000. You know, well it's more than that. I'm gonna give us a discount. You know, because you know at the charity work that we're doing, they gave us a discount, you know, and gave us 40 extra blocks. So that is the mission. Yeah, so we give thanks to Mughal Hardware, you know, give us a blessing as well to give us some discount and everything, you know. So yeah, so this is the start, guys. As I'm gonna say, follow us on this journey, you know. I would thank each and every one of our extended family that donate towards the World Chef project. You know, we thank them so much, you know, because we are, all of us is serving a purpose, you know. Act of kindness. Once you give something, you know, the act of kindness. So them always say in life it's better to give than to receive, you know, so giving is always a blessing, you know, looking out for someone, you know, so this is it, the journey is gonna start, you know, so tomorrow in the morning we'll check the materials, you know, when we're gonna start the work as well too, you know, brother. So I'm say I want to thank each and everyone that donate, you know, from then. I want to bless up to Oliver and Carla as well too, you know, as well too. So all the donation that we get, you know, we'll combine it together, you know, because, you know, Oliver and Carla they want to purchase a chest jar and a bed for him as well too. I think a dresser and a bed. So we put the donation together so we can get the material first, you know, because we have to get these things first, you know, out the way, do the foundation, build it up and everything. So we combine everything together, you know, and we give thanks, so we're thankful so much for reaching out, help out, you know. So this is gonna be our next project again, you know, so but with the will of the Almighty, you know, we will get by, we will get through, you know, and by the support of our extended family, after going on there, we thank you so much for supporting. So because of your donation, your act of kindness, you know, we're able to start another project as well, which is the Wall Chef, you know, the Wall Chef who's been their loyal member, been helping out, and as you can see the situation that how he is living, you know, so we give thanks, I will thank you so much. Alright, so we're here heading back down towards the headquarters, walking from the hardware. So this is how it goes here in TrenchTown. Yes guys, so we're gonna make a stop off. Yeah, so we also I got a donation for Wall Chef Aunt. We're gonna make a stop and give her a donation as well to while we're on the way down, and also give her a donation as well to, you know. Wall Chef Aunt is the lady that always sit down right next to Wall Chef Mom, you know, because this donor, and watch the video, you know, and I noticed that whenever we go there and give her a donation, give Wall Chef Mother a donation, she always sitting there. So and consider her, you know. Thank you so much for being so considerate. Mikey C, you know, we thank you so much for being so considerate and us giving her a donation as well too. So that's who we're gonna see now on the way down, you know, under a donation as well too. So blessings and give thanks to Mikey C, you know, from Florida. So we're gonna head there now. And here is the plum tree, but plum. This is some sweet plum. Plum tree empty. Wow.
Come empty the tree.
The plum tree is empty.
A little bit.
What happened? The plum storm passed through. Not even one. Lord. That's why I say. That's what I'm saying. Now the ground is clean. Only one.
No, so no man from the man.
Only one. Hey. So one.
Don't try to.
No, I'm not getting you some little dirt. I'm not getting you some little dirt.
Maca up. Hey. Oh, so one here, sir.
Whatever people know they want, okay?
Plum sweet. It's very sweet. That's the reason why we find there's no plum on the tree, because it's very sweet. Sweet.
That's beating one plum.
I swear, come on.
One plum.
You got a plum bush. So you get
One
plum.
plum, I watch but it worth it though, the plum sweet.
Of course. When you got a plum war, you get plum marks. You get plum attack. That's what happened.
You know, regular The Jamaican plum. I can't know plum tree sweet, you know. Not one.
Skiana is at home.
Actually, what they say, it's unpredictable. Sometimes them sweet.
Wow, chef. Guys, let me tell you with wow, chef, you know. Him is so busy. Your aunt. Ah, bless him. Ah, bless him. Right. How you doing?
Good evening.
Not too bad today?
Yeah, man.
Why you looking so jolly and so happy?
Man, I tell you, pain I kill me the shoulder. The hand now move at all.
Nah, move at all.
No, man. And the pressure. The pressure. I go and come. I don't know if I told me I can't feel the hard. But the pressure I go up and come down. Maybe, man. Yeah, man, this is my problem, man. Now.
Oh, the arm.
Yeah, man.
So when you got the stroke, it damaged your arm?
No, I know it damaged the arm. The stroke dropped on the arm. This is lick out, you know. This shoulder lick out, it don't go on back down. Slap up man did one with it. And the man did one broke it back. Man did one to broke it without him clarifying.
So how that happened? The stroke?
Yeah, see there, yeah.
Oh, the stroke, lick it
And
out?
the stroke come drop on him.
So you say you drop on your arm?
Yeah.
Oh, and it lick out.
And it lick out.
And when you got the stroke now?
Yeah, the stroke come drop on him.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So it not the doctor say. The doctor say the sinews run out. So me don't you see that going now live? I don't know how it go see me. See me. See there. Look, see there. You see it? And the nerves.
Nerves.
The nerves of the stroke, the pan, man. Yeah, man.
So it can come back?
Yeah, it can come back. Miss, you know, me know they can. Me sit on the tip on it. But the pan line. We see it pan line where they have the machine.
Stroke something.
All right, one stroke something. Yes, man.
Well, once you continue to try to exercise,
Yes, me exercise,
pull
man.
them out.
Yeah. Me see it, man. Me see it pan the sitting pan line.
Pan line.
Yeah, when the woman hold the machine so, you understand?
Can come back, man.
He can come back. I'll me feel to myself that it will come back.
Yeah, once you believe.
Yeah, me believe I'm not going to let go this stick. I'm going to let go this stick and walk. Me have that feelings.
Yeah.
Me go let, you know, make plenty time, me not let it go and walk. Me afraid me go drop on any stone.
Oh.
And get more hurt. Hold it inside.
Take time, no? I feel no good
Take your time.
No, me just have the feelings, say. You understand?
Yeah.
If me have somewhere level when I have to squeeze me foot on so.
Yeah.
Me feel it. Guess I could walk. Me feel it.
You feel
Me
it?
feel it.
Because you got faith.
Yes,
You
me have
believe.
that. Me the hospital and the nurse said to me, me love how you have the faith in me. If me could just get a little bit of your faith. Me say, what you say, sir? He said, me look for you, me see your faith. And me happy to.
Of course, me see
Yes, man, me glad that feel that is. If me not glad for not, me glad for your little faith.
Yes.
Yeah? Thank God for Jesus.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. With the Almighty, all
Yeah,
things are
man,
possible.
me know,
You know?
me go, if this just start move back, me go and clear because this balance me. You understand? Balance. Me and balance now. It's a one and piece me have. Yeah, so anyhow me get this start to move.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me go and clear.
Take your time, man. You can just always in the yard here.
Yeah.
When inside here, you can just take your time.
Yes, so that me have to
Move around.
move around. After I sweep, you know, long me have beg a little boy to sweep it for me. Yeah, man, to sweep up the yard, man. Boogaloo, boogaloo.
Boogaloo.
Yeah.
When you finish. Boogaloo, when you finish. Sweep up the yard for her. If I do, so well, you know, someone see you on the video and consider you and sent a donation for you, you know, out of him act of kindness, him sent a donation for you.
Yes.
You know, give you blessings.
Yes.
Where you can help out, you know, situation.
Yes.
His name is Mikey C.
Mikey.
Yeah,
Yes,
Mikey C
remember
from
Mikey.
Florida.
Okay.
Same send $14,000 for you. Oh, chef, come count it for her and put it in her hand because she only needs one hand. So it's 14,000 from Mikey C.
Yeah.
Mikey C. Yeah, man. 14,000. Mikey C.
Yes, Brother Mikey, thank you very much, Brother Mikey, thank you. Yes, sir. Thanks.
Very much, you know. Yeah, man, Mikey
Yes.
C, man.
Mikey, yes.
Yeah, man, I'm always auntie, you know. Yeah, man, the rest of them their country, you know. So, thank you very much and
Thank
good
you
blessing,
very
you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man, you
thanks.
see.
Thank you very much. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Papa. Thanks.
So at least now him consider and can help out the situation.
Yes, sir. Sit on it.
Come on, man. Come on, sit up them fast, man.
Alright, you hear Miss Valerie? You're okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Take the blood.
Yeah, man. We buy the thing them for already. We buy a lock and thing we go up on the door, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Cramp you can put on the lock, you know. Yeah, so.
Blood.
You have to lock there, you have it in there.
Yeah, the
You
love.
have the lock in there, something there.
Wait.
You have the thing that you can put it on and thing, you see.
Okay, so
You want to force it out, man. I get something for more.
they've got the lock for you.
Yeah.
Alright? But them say wow, them say chef to talk. Yeah, cause someone called me, they said me that no. Them say,
Exercise over talk like
no, like how she try to talk,
Yeah.
they must leave her and she talk. Try to come back out, trying to come back out.
Right, because she don't lose her right.
She don't lose it, you know.
No, she don't lose.
So the more she try to let it out, you
Yeah,
know,
to let
the more
out and make
it will
it
come
talk
out.
it out. It will come back. Yeah, me know that.
It will come back. Yeah, so when she talk, you just leave her and she
Yeah,
talk.
make she just talk till she come.
So guys, so you they got the locks for the door, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yes, so that is it. Alright, here Miss Valerie.
Yes, Papa, yes, thank you very much.
Take care.
Thanks very much. All right, Mama, yes. All right. Yes, come take.
Alright then, whoa.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, go when you finish wash the plate, sweep up the yard. Help him as well too, yeah? Help each other, okay?
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.